So the usual scientific protocols say that you don't have a brain.
No, I have a brain. I just went to the asylum, okay?
Asylum.
Yeah, it's the place for the crazies. But I just went to get some pills, okay?
Give it up. Where do you want to go? House of Hope?
Joke.
She said she wants to go to our asylum. No, I think, yeah. I'm not sure.
Mactan Doctor's Hospital.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Let's be doing the question.
Yeah.
What was I be doing? I'm not a pervert.
I want to make. How about let's have a debate? Okay. What topic? About Christmas
Asylum
decoration.
over you.
Green. Wait. Red and gold are better. No, I don't know how to keep up a debate. Not a debate. That's it. Yes.
Oh, she's shy.
I think it's bottom.
Chicken na. Look, dyan.
It's called Prepared for Crisis.
Getting ready for the Imes photo shoot.
Yeah.
They have the same room with
Cute, baka na charming.
That's the old.
Wala, nagwala ko sa meaning.